Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we have this 2023 Kia Soul, and we're going to do the Taillight Tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how it looks before doing the installation on the taillights, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. With that being said, let's start with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the lens. So all we need to do is apply Slip Solution to the lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, remove any contaminants that the taillight may have. So we're going to start by installing the piece that covers this section of the taillight. So all we need to do is apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. And all we need to do is align it to the top section first. So make sure this section of the film, you just align it right on the edge for the taillight here. So once you have it right on the edge, we're going to apply Tack Solution and then secure it and tack it down, and then we're going to stretch the film until we reach it to this end. So lift the film carefully, apply a good amount of Tack Solution, place the film back down, make sure to keep it aligned, and apply Tack Solution on top. That way we're able to squeegee the film without the squeegee getting stuck onto the film. So just tack it down, remove all of the solution from underneath the film, that way there's no bubbles left over before we seal it, and then just follow through with the rest of the film until you reach it here. So you can start by applying Tack Solution around this area, that way we help the adhesive on the film start activating faster. Just follow through, tack everything down, and then for this section here, since there is a small curve that's causing the film not to tack down, just apply a little bit of heat with Tack Solution and then help it tack down, and then just continue applying heat until everything sits and you should be good. So before we do that, just make sure you remove all of the solution that's trapped underneath this section. That way when we apply heat, there's none trapped and we can just seal it. So apply Tack Solution and a little bit of heat, and then just hold it in position and then tack it down. You can use the low setting for this section too. Apply Tack Solution and use your squeegee to help the film tack down. And then just hold it in position, that way the adhesive activates and is able to tack down on the curve. Give it a couple seconds and you just repeat this process until this whole section is tacked down and it doesn't lift. So you can continue applying just a little bit of heat to help the adhesive activate faster, and we should be good. Just make sure to apply Tack Solution before applying heat, that way we don't burn the film. And just don't forget to seal the edges here before we install the next piece. So just apply Tack Solution and apply heat, seal the edge, and we should be good. Okay, so to start with this installation, just apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. And it's the same process as how we did it with the front section. It's just aligning on the top, and the film is going to overlap with the first film that we installed. So align it on top. Once you have it aligned on top, apply Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film. Hold the film in position, and then with your squeegee start tagging it down to secure it. Make sure it stays secured and it doesn't move. So that should be good. And then just follow along with the rest of the film. Everything should just fall into place. If you need to do a light stretch to cover here, it's just a small stretch, nothing too much, but just follow through with the rest of the film. Hold it down, make sure everything stays secured, and then just stretch it to this end. So it's just a light stretch to reach to the edge, and also to help remove the finger that's here, and then just tack it down. That's pretty much it. And to remove the finger that you may encounter on this lower section, just apply tack solution and a little bit of heat. And then once the fingers have shrunk, squeegee them with your squeegee and microfiber towel. For this last piece, all we need to do is apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. Align it to this edge, and once we have it aligned, apply tack solution and everything else should just fall into place. You might need to just help it align, and that's pretty much it. But just apply tack solution to the lens and on the front section of the tint. Keep it aligned, everything falls into place, and then tack it down. Make sure to remove all of the solution that's trapped underneath the film, and just follow through with the rest of the installation. Tack everything down, and if you're having trouble tacking this section down, just apply a little bit of heat with tack solution and you should be good. Apply tack solution on top and then heat, and then tack everything down, you should be good. Wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee and then just tack everything down. So once you finish with the entire installation for the tail light, all we need to do is post heat the entire lens. So just apply tack solution to the entire section of the tail light, and we're going to use our heat gun, and you can use the low setting for this section and just applying heat throughout the entire panel. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster. And as we're applying heat, we're going to use a microfiber towel just to help tack down the film and also help remove any solution that's trapped around the edges. So take your time doing this step, and then once you're done with this process, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the Taillight tints for the 2023 Kia Soul. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.